Good morning, guys. I hope all of you are well and doing well. So, in the morning, I've got two airdrops and two updates. So, the first airdrop is worth of $50, and the updates are also very good. So, kindly watch the complete video so you don't miss out any part. First of all, let's move on towards the first airdrop. It's YB Exchange. I'll give you the link in the description. What you have to do is simply click on the link. A screen would open like this. On the top right, this is an Asian exchange, so the language is different. It's Chinese. So over here you have to click and select English. Okay, simply register yourself through mobile or mailbox. I prefer mailbox. Each and every country is available over here. First select your country, put your email address, then get the code in the email which you provided over here. Submit the code, choose your password, confirm your password once again, and click on the I agree the user agreement. Simply your account would be created and you will move on towards the login screen. They are giving away $50 worth of coins, their exchange coins, and that are withdrawable, that are saleable, and we can easily withdraw $50 on 20th of May. Okay, they are withdrawable, real and legit. I did not give you this airdrop earlier because I need some confirmation. What my motive is to give you real, legit and withdrawable airdrops. So, and make sure you have to complete know your customer over here. Once you know your customer, your KYC is completed over here, you will get the coins instantly. They confirm your KYC in few hours. That doesn't take too much time. Moving on towards our first update. The first update is I started a giveaway of 50,000 worth of 50,000 Doji coins. Here it is. So this campaign is ended and few people. My motive was 50,000 Doji coins to give away on 200 people, like 500 Doji coins to each and everyone. But only few people have participated in it. So on 10th of May, I will distribute all the valid participants who participated with completing all the tasks. So each and every participant will get 500 Doji coins. So that was the first update. And moving on towards the second airdrop. In the meantime, kindly, if you are new on my channel, so please take a moment, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon and support us. Support your family. This YouTube channel is your family, and I will give away more Doji coins in the next coming 1 or 2 days. So stay tuned with the channel. A new giveaway is coming up. So the second airdrop is FlitPay. FlitPay is an Indian cryptocurrency exchange. It's a very big cryptocurrency exchange in India. So my Indian viewers, this is a big chance for you to join FlitPay, and everyone can join it. They are giving us $15 worth of FlitPay coins, FLT. Alright, so these $15 are also withdrawable. What you have to do is just scroll it down a bit. You can study each and everything. You can see you will get 1000 FLT coins and you can even use your referral code with your friends and earn more. Simply go to sign up now, put your email address, password, reconfirm your password, and kindly give a referral code. If you want to give, you can give mine. You will get the link in the description and click sign up now. Alright, make sure once you log into your FlitPay account, they will send a confirmation email. You have to confirm that email and then you go to login. When you log in, you have to complete your KYC here. When your KYC is approved, they approve KYC. It takes around 4 to 5 days because of a huge traffic and it's a big exchange. So they are taking 4 to 5 days to confirm your KYC. In the meantime, you can use your referral code. Once your KYC is approved, all the rewards would be credited in your account. These are also withdrawable. The withdrawable date is not yet confirmed, so kindly join it. You will get the link in the description. And let's move on towards the second update. I just let you join BitXMI airdrop. They were giving us EBLX. They gave me the EBLX, 250 EBLX. So check your wallet. If you have joined with me on this airdrop, so you might have received the reward. I received the reward yesterday. So as they promised, they will give us around $10 worth of EBLX, but nevertheless I received $2.50 worth of EBLX. They will start trading EBLX next week. I talked to the admin. They said after few days, like 5 to 6 days, we will start EBLX trading. It will be officially listed on our exchange. So in this video, if you like the video, kindly share it with your friends. And if you are new, once again I'm requesting, subscribe to the channel. More giveaways this holy month of Ramzan. I'm going to hold like 2 or 3 more giveaways. One is done. 2-3 more giveaways I will hold in this month of Ramadan. So stay tuned. And if you need any help, I'll put the social media link in the description, my Telegram channel link and my Telegram link. If you need any help, let me know. Thank you so much. Take care.